So people on the internet are always asking what kind of plows people use. So it's going to show you mine. It's all KFI system except for the winch. It's a Colpin. So this is the KFI 72-inch poly blade. I just love this thing. It came with all these accessories, the markers, the rubber flap at the top, KFI push tubes down here. It's a KFI roller fair lead, which you can see me talk about in my previous video. KFI winch mount, and then I have this Colpin winch back here that I've had for years. I should upgrade it. It's only 3,500 pound, but it's at least 5 years old. It's still going strong. I use all KFI on my Hondas, all KFI on my Yamahas. There are no complaints, and I'll see if I can get some video of the plow in action.